You clean your toilet every week, right? But what if I told you the dirtiest part of your toilet isn't where you think it is? It's hidden, silently growing bacteria, rust, and a foul smell that spreads through your bathroom. And the worst part? Most people never even open it. Today, I'll show you the shocking truth inside your toilet tank and how cleaning it can actually transform your bathroom. But before we dive in, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because what you're about to see might just change how you clean forever. The forgotten part of every bathroom. Think about it. Every time we clean, we scrub the bowl, the seat, maybe even the floor. But that mysterious box behind the toilet, the tank, we never touch it. We assume it's just clean water, right? I mean, it flushes, so it must be fine. That's exactly what I thought too. Until one day, I noticed something strange. The water in my toilet started to look slightly brownish. There was a faint smell that wouldn't go away no matter how many air fresheners I used. And when I opened the tank lid for the first time in years, it was like opening a horror story of rust, black mold, and slimy buildup. It was a hidden world, a world I never knew existed. Why your toilet tank gets dirty, even if you clean regularly. Here's the science behind it. The water that sits in your toilet tank isn't as innocent as it looks. It's constantly exposed to minerals, moisture, and air. That combination creates the perfect breeding ground for bacteria, mold, and mineral deposits. And when that contaminated water flushes down, it spreads microparticles into your bowl, the same bowl you think is clean after scrubbing. So technically, you might be cleaning the symptom, not the source. It's like trying to clean smoke while ignoring the fire. The emotional moment of realization, when I first saw the inside of my toilet tank, I honestly felt disgusted. But beyond that, I felt guilty. Because it hit me, this wasn't just about dirt. It was about neglect. That small, forgotten corner of my home reflected something deeper. How often we ignore what's out of sight, out of mind. We think our homes are clean, our lives are organized. But behind the surface, there's always that one area we avoid, until it becomes too big to ignore. Cleaning my toilet tank wasn't just about hygiene. It became symbolic. A reminder that sometimes true cleanliness begins in the places we never look. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. There's a small valve near the base of your toilet. Turn it clockwise to stop the water flow. This will prevent the tank from refilling while you clean. Step 2. Flush to empty the tank. Flush your toilet once to drain all the water out. You'll now see the bottom of the tank clearly, and probably the reason we're doing this in the first place. Step 3. Inspect what's inside. Take a deep breath, lift the lid, and look. If you see brown stains, black residue, or slimy buildup, that's exactly what's been contaminating your water all along. Step 4. Use white vinegar or baking soda. Skip harsh chemicals. Pour about 2 cups of white vinegar into the tank and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. It will naturally break down mineral deposits and kill odor-causing bacteria. You can also sprinkle baking soda for extra cleaning power. Step 5. Turn the water back on and flush. Once everything's clean, open the valve again, let the tank fill up and flush. The difference will shock you. Clearer water, cleaner flush, and no smell. And for the first time, you'll feel like your bathroom is truly clean, not just on the surface, but deep inside. Conclusion. So the next time you clean your bathroom, don't just focus on the obvious. Lift the lid, face the hidden mess, because behind every clean home is someone who dared to face what others ignored. Cleaning your toilet tank might sound small, but it's a powerful act of awareness. And trust me, once you've done it, your bathroom won't just look cleaner, it'll feel cleaner. If you found this video helpful, or even just eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe to the Big Sweep, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next story that uncovers the hidden side of everyday life. Because sometimes, the things we ignore are the ones that need our attention the most. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community